Hi, we are doing logarithm. Evaluate 3 plus log 5 raised to the power minus 2 to the base 5. So first we will solve this. We know that we'll first apply the rule, that is log b to the base a raised to the power 2 or any power will become 2 log b to the base a. The power comes in front of the log. So now this log 5, 5 raised to the power minus 2. How will you write this? This will be written as minus 2 will come in front of the log 5 to the base 5. Fine, understood. Now what is this? Log 5 to the base 5. We know any log with the same base, the value is 1. We have to keep this in mind. So this will become minus 2 into 1. Log 5 to the base 5 value will be 1. So this will be minus 2. So this will become 3 plus minus 2, that is 3 minus 2, that is 1. Fine. Now we will see the B1. Find the value of log 75 to the base 5 minus log 3 to the base 5. Now here also we will apply the another rule of log. What is the rule? The rule states that if two logs are subtracted and the base are same of the logs, then what we do, we write it as log a by b to the base x. Fine. This is how we write it. That is, when two logs are subtracted with the same base, the log ka values are divided. So this will become log 75 by 3 to the base 5. This is the case when the two logs are divided and they have the same base. So this will become log 75, 3 2s are 6 and 15 25, log 25 to the base 5. Now we can write log 25 as 5 raised to the power 2. Fine. Now 2 will come in front. We saw that with the power of the log can be written in front of the log, that is 2 multiplied by log 5 to the base 5. And when the log and the base value is same, the value of the log turns out to be 1. That is 2 into 1, that is 2. Fine. Now we will see the C1. The C1 states find the value of log 125 to the base 5 divided by log root 5 to the base 5. Fine. So here root 5 means 5 raised to the power half, right? And log 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3 divided by log 5 raised to the power half to the base 5. Fine. Now we will divide these two logs. That is before dividing, we will write 3 in front of this log because the power comes in front of the log, that's the rule. And same way, half will be written in front of the log, half into log 5 to the base 5 divided. Fine. Now what we will do, it is 3 into log 5 divided by half log 5. Fine. So now this will be 3 log 5 to the base 5 divided by half log 5 to the base 5. This log 5 and log 5 will get cancelled. 3 divided by half will become 3 into 2, that is 6. Fine. Now we will see the D1. What is the D1 saying? The D1 is saying find the value of root x to the power 4 log a to the base x. Okay, we'll use the exponential rules here. Root x means x का power half, and everything is having a power of 4 log a x. Yes, we can write it like this. That means x is multiplied by the power outside the bracket, this case. So this will be x 2 log a base x. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of this thing. Right, let this value be y. Fine, we have to find the value. Let the value of this be y. So what we will do, this will become, we'll change this into log now. We know how to change. I'll just show you. Anything raised to the power, if it is like this in exponential form, how do we change it into log form? The base, this is x raised to the power a, x is the base, so x becomes the base of the log, and a and y will get interchanged. So this will become log, x will be the base, this x will be the base, and this y and this 2 log a by a to the base x will get interchanged. So y यहाँ आ जाएगा, and 2 log to the base x a will be this. Fine. Now we know log y to the base x is equal to log this root 2 over here is the power of this log. This will go in the power. This is the rule. Like log a square hai, then it will become 2 log a. And if it is 2 log a, you can write it as log a square. The base can be any. So this will be log a square to the base x. Now we can see log and log to the base x are same. So what is the value of y? The value of y is a square. So value of y is a square. So what is the value of this exponent? That was y, and y is a square. So this value will turn out to be a square. Now we'll see the E1, that is log 125 by log 1 by 5. There are two ways of doing it. You can do it in two ways. The first one I'm showing you, log 125, let it be 125, and we know here that log a by b is log a minus log b. These rules you should remember, okay? And this is equal to log x. Fine, we have to find the value of x. Chalo, we'll do it. This will become log 1 minus log 5, and we know when there is no base, it is 10. The base is 10. When there, यहाँ पर base is not written, so base is 10. Fine, so no need to write that. This will be log 125, and log 1 value, any base let it be, the log 1 ka value is 0. Fine, these things you should remember. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1, log 1 is 0 to any base is 0. So this is 0 minus log 5 is equal to log x. Fine. Now what will happen here? We can write log 125 as log 5 raised to the power 3 by minus log 5 is equal to log x. Right? Now log 5 raised to the power 3, again the power will come in front of the log. It will become 3 log 5 minus log 5 is equal to log x. Log 5 will get cancelled. Minus 3 is equal to log x. We need to find the value of x. Now what we will do, we will change this in the form of exponent form. Right? If there is no base, it means it is 10. Fine. If there is no base, it means it is 10. That means it will be 10 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to x. Fine. 10 raised to the power minus 3. How it happened? This is the case. If this is the case, 10, इसको exponent form में how we change? The base remains the same, that is 10, and x is interchanged with minus 3. So x is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3. 10 raised to the power minus 3 is 1 by 10 raised to the power 3. Exponential का rule, exponents का rule, that anything raised to the negative power will be reciprocated and the power will become positive. That is 1 upon 1000. Now 1000 is in decimal point is 0.01. So x ka value is this. Now we have done this E1. Now we will see the F1. What is the F1? Now if log x minus 5 plus log x plus 5, these are all based on the rule, is equal to 2 log 12. This rule that log a plus log b, where the base are same. Here when the base is not given, it means it's 10. So base are same, is equal to log a into b with the same base, right? So this will become log x minus 5 plus log x plus 5 will become log x minus 5 into x plus 5, a into b, is equal to log 12, and 2 is over here, will go as a power to the log. Fine. So this will become log a minus b, a plus b. We know the formula is a square minus b square, that is x square minus 5 square. A square minus b square is a minus b and a plus b, and this is log 12 square, that is 144. Now log x square minus 5 square is equal to log 144, that is x square minus 25 is equal to 144. Now x square is 144 plus 25, that is x square is 169. Fine. So x is the square root of 169, that is plus and minus 13. Now here if I take minus 13, log will become in minus, so we will take only plus 13. Then the value of log will be positive, because log minus 13 minus 5 will become log minus 18. So we will take x is equal to plus 13. So that will become the value of